Tired of hitting envelope limits in Docusign and not knowing why? Let's decode Docusign's envelope system in just 90 seconds, so you can stop guessing and start signing. First, understand your plan. Docusign offers different tiers, each with varying envelope allowances. The personal plan typically includes a limited number of envelopes per month, suitable for basic individual use. Standard and Business Pro plans usually offer higher limits, often on an annual basis, designed for more frequent users and businesses with greater document needs. Check your specific plan details in your Docusign account settings to know your exact limit. Often, if you're on the personal plan, it may be as low as 5 envelopes per month. Next, track your usage. Head to the Manage tab in your Docusign account. The Sent folder gives you a quick overview of the envelopes you've used. Utilize the filter and search options to pinpoint specific time frames. This will help you monitor your usage trends and anticipate when you might need to upgrade or adjust your sending habits. Important: all envelopes you send count towards your limit, even those that are completed, voided, or declined. Think of it like this: once you create an envelope and send it out, it's deducted from your total allowance, regardless of the outcome. If you're consistently exceeding your limits, consider upgrading to a higher tier plan. Docusign offers flexible options, and upgrading can unlock more envelopes and features to suit your needs. Alternatively, evaluate your sending habits. Are there documents you could send less frequently? Are there drafts clogging your account that can be deleted? Optimizing your workflow can help you stay within your current limits. And that's it. By understanding your plan, monitoring your usage, and optimizing your workflow, you can master Docusign's envelope system and avoid unexpected interruptions. Now you can sign with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Docusign tips and tricks.